what you are seeing now is a diagrammatic representation of the flow of energy in an ecosystem. The primary source of energy is sun. Out of the total amount of sunlight falling on earth, hardly 1 to 2% is available for fixation by plants. So this is the amount of solar energy absorbed. A considerable amount of energy is not absorbed, it is reflected back. What is absorbed by green plants producers is used for photosynthesis. The total organic matter that is synthesized as a result of this is what we have described as gross primary production. Gross primary production. A considerable amount of this energy is lost by way of respiration. R stands for energy loss through respiration. So GPP minus R is NPP, net primary productivity. This is the energy that is available for secondary production. Death of this producer community, the energy goes to detritivores and decomposers. Secondary production by primary consumers. Again, loss of energy by way of respiration. There is also loss of energy by egestion and excretion. So E stands for energy loss through egestion and excretion. Again, death of primary consumers, energy goes to detritivores and decomposers. So gross secondary production minus R is net secondary production at the primary consumer level available to secondary consumers. Same thing happens here. This is secondary production at the level of secondary consumers minus R, net secondary production available to tertiary consumers. Loss by way of respiration, loss by way of egestion and excretion, death to detritivores and decomposers. Same thing happens in the next level also. This is gross secondary production at the level of tertiary consumers minus R, net secondary production at the tertiary consumer level, loss by way of respiration, loss by way of excretion and egestion, death. So energy reaches detritivores and decomposers, and thereafter even in detritivores and decomposers there is loss of energy in the form of heat because of respiration. So energy flowing through the ecosystem is lost. This energy is not again made available for the ecosystem. So this model represents the flow of energy in an ecosystem.